Tramblam?
Hello, what's up? What's going on?
I know that test is tomorrow.
Yes, it's a very big one. It's worth 45% of your grade.
My grandma's dead.
Okay, sorry to hear about that.
Is there any way I can take the test some other time?
No, absolutely not. I said in your syllabus that I'm not doing any exempts. I'm not doing any movement. Now, that's a good job.
Mrs. Tramblam, I'm so sorry that I'm late.
Let me do this for you. Help you turn around and go back outside.
It's the bus. I ran all
You guys! What did I say in the syllabus? No tardies. Gonna be late to my class? Then that means my class wasn't that important. I have my degree. You guys do. This amount of molecules Dwayne, are you on the phone?
No.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. No phone. Tell your mother to come and get it if she really needs it. Nesta Vila, I am so sorry. What is that?
It's just orange juice.
But what did the syllabus say? I don't allow food or drink in my what? In my class. Hand it over.
It's just orange juice.